Hi everyone, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and I am outside of San Miguel de Allende in Mexico, and I'm so glad to have with me is Rosana Alvarez, who is one of the organizers of a movement here called Via Organica, the Organic Way. And Rosana grew up with these plants and knows these plants and is working to keep these traditions alive in Mexico here. And she was just showing me this lovely little plant. You want to tell them a little bit about this?
Well, yeah, thank you very much for being here with us. This is called El Membrillo. It's outside of San Miguel, which is part of San Miguel de Allende. Well, this little plant is a very, very sacred plant for the Otomi tradition, the Otomi ethnic groups in Mexico. And this plant is well known for giving an incredible dye from the leaves. And it gives you a color like your shirt, sort of, or in the purple kind of reddish. Yeah. And this plant, everything is used for health issues, like you can get iron out of it, zinc, calcium, many properties, good minerals. But also the dye that comes from this is put in a form of a stamp in a tortilla, which is a ceremonial tortilla, which the Otomis families have brought it to this day since their ancestors. And this sello, the sello, how you say, it's passed to the families. So what they do is they make the tortilla, and then they put the color in the sello, and then they print it on the tortilla and finish
so they have
it.
these beautiful ceremonial tortillas that have a whole little boost of nutrition and color. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, we have many varieties of tortillas. I mean, it's like we mix the chard, we can mix chaya, which is another plant from the Mayans, which have similar properties as these plants.
How do you spell the name of this plant? Because I know people are going to want to look this up, and I bet we could find them with Native American seeds or some of the other local places.
Yeah, I'm sure it's called Muicle.
How do you spell that?
Muicle. Muicle.
Okay.
Muicle. Muicle.
Thank you so much for sharing
Try
that,
it, it's
Rosana.
great.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
This is Marjorie Wildcraft. We'll catch you with another 2-minute fun thing later.